Repairing a rotten window sill can seem daunting, but it's a manageable DIY project with the right approach. Here's a detailed guide on how to tackle this issue effectively. Sand around damage with an electric sander or by hand with 80 grit sandpaper. Then, remove all rotted parts with a Stanley knife, scraper, or any suitable tool you have. Use plywood offcut to make a temporary shattering to make filling easier. Add BP strips between the window sill and plywood. This will stop filler from sticking to plywood. Then fill the damage with the fiberglass filler. For instructions on mixing fiberglass filler, watch video number 4 on my channel, or check the link in the description. Leave fiberglass to dry fully. Then remove BP strip and sand it all with 80 grit sandpaper. Then fill all with the wood filler. For instructions on mixing wood filler, watch video number 3 on my channel, or check the link in the description. Sand it all with 120 grit sandpaper and brush the dust off. Now your window sill is ready for undercoating and painting.